All right, Shelby, we made it. We're boarding on our ship right now, MSC Seaside.
So excited. We made it.
There's our room.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's big. Wow. Sweet, this is nice.
Wow. Our balcony's a little... Wait. No way. Look at this. Look.
We have an outdoor bathtub?
Dude,
No
that's
way.
sick.
That is so cool.
Whoa.
So we just got on and we have an outdoor bathtub. That is awesome. So I'm kind of bummed. I don't have my fly rod. I brought it and they actually took it. We have 2 days in Ocean Cay and I guess you can't fish there. So I get it back when we get to Mexico, but they're gonna hold on to it until we get there. So that kind of sucks, but oh well. But it is nice. What do you think, Shelby?
It's huge.
Whee!
It's so big.
What happened?
Don't turn on the jet until it's full. It's crazy.
We're filling up the hot tub. So what we learned today, Shelby?
Don't turn on the jets until it's full.
Aww. She got wet.
I got squirted on.
Aww.
Okay, Shelby, you ready? All right, here we go. Woo!
All right, so I'm out here bone fishing. I got my rod back from the cruise line. They confiscated it. And it was a huge hassle, but I was able to get it back only when I get off the boat. So for today's stop and tomorrow's stop, I just have to grab it when I get off and turn it back in when I get back on the boat. But we're out here in Mexico. We just paid a taxi driver and I was like, take me to a spot where you see people fishing. So he took me out here and it's actually pretty good. I've already spotted quite a few bonefish. So I keep hooching the cast, but hopefully I'll get one. I've just been watching these shallows right here. I'm on the Moonlit Umbra. And so far it's casting pretty good. I really like this rod. It's not a bad rod for the price. So this is my first time using this on saltwater. But I'll tune back in when I see any more fish.
Oh, I got a little guy. Dang. A bonefish, let's go! Woohoo! Woo! Look at that thing go! These things fight hard, oh my gosh! If I lose this fish, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh my gosh, that is awesome! Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Caught my bonefish. That was a sweet fight. That thing is awesome. I have to wade over this blue thing.
We just got out of Costa Maya. We just sailed away, and I did a little fishing there. And this is the first fishing I've done on this trip because I couldn't fish the private island. But I caught my first ever bonefish. So that was really fun. I caught it on a little gotcha fly. I tied this pattern before I left. I just YouTubed bonefish flies and whipped up a box full. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be in Cozumel, where we did book a guided trip. So hopefully we get into even more bonefish. And I've got my fingers crossed I'll be able to get a barracuda on a fly rod. That I think would be really fun. So we'll see you there.
Shelby, he's trying to wake up.
Be careful for the mangrove, remember. Off the rod, off the rod.
Oh my gosh.
Off the rod, off the rod. There we go. There we go. Read.
Take it off?
Yeah.
It's all good.
I don't like me today.
2 chances, but she trap sighted. We live and we learn, right?
Hey, 3.
3. 3 trout sets. Yep.
100%.
Barracuda.
See? No. You see the fish or no?
Yeah.
It's moving to here. It's moving to here. No matches. Come on.
How did I spook him?
I don't know. Let him go. Let's go find it. Let's go. Let him go. Woo, Bati.
Oh, I think he's done.
Watch out.
No way.
Ready?
Yeah, that's a good one. Should I let him go?
Yeah. It's yours, buddy. Release.
Alrighty. What a tank. There he goes. That was awesome, dude.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Jump in. Throw down. There we go. Letting go.
Yeah.
When it's throw down.
Holy crap. Wow.
Jump. Uno Mas Flyfishing. No. Trophy.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is so sick. You ready? Yeah.
You wanna go try?
I'm good.
That's so fun. Well, and we're off.
Are 456 feet tall.
So we're at the Space Center for Shelby. You excited?
So excited.
She went fishing with me on the honeymoon, so we gotta do something she wants to do. And she's a space nerd. Alright, so we're off the cruise ship. We got off yesterday, went to the space station.
Then went back to a hotel, and then we fly out today. I woke up a bit early because there's actually a lake nearby. See if I can get some bass. And I'm already seeing a lot of fish just in this little pond by the hotel. So I guess if this lake I'm going to doesn't work out. Well, what's that? Oh, there's a big turtle. Looks like a snapper. Looks like there's some bass in there too. There's some pretty good sized bass I just saw. I hooked a freaking alligator. Shoot, man. I got something, and it's an alligator. I'm gonna just break that off. Don't want to deal with that. Dude, that was crazy. Didn't expect to get an alligator. Got one. Man, he annihilated that thing. Oh, he's not bad. Yeah, they're definitely a little bit bigger in this pond. One right there. Today's the last day. I'm heading out to the airport right now, and soon I'll be back in Utah. So if you guys got this far, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.